This is Spider-Eye 2024 Roarer H200, the largest electric multi-rotor agricultural drone on the market, integrating spraying, spreading, and transport functions. It can be equipped with an agricultural spraying system, a solid spreading system for seeding and fertilizing, and a cargo or hoisting transport system to meet various agricultural and transport applications. Made of carbon fiber and aviation aluminum materials, the drone is sturdy and durable, whole machine IP67 waterproof. It has a wingspan of 4.5 meters and a height of 1.3 meters. The propellers are designed in an alternating up-down pattern, providing powerful 8-rotor thrust with ample redundancy. The H200 has a spraying capacity of 92 L, a spreading payload of 100 kilograms, and a transport volume of 190 L. Very stable in flight. It is equipped with front and rear obstacle avoidance and terrain following functions, making it highly adaptable to different fields. RTK can be optionally configured to increase signal strength and accuracy. This drone is equipped with 2 large-capacity lithium batteries and a high-power smart charger, which can be fully charged in 15 minutes, ensuring continuous operation efficiency. The GNSS adopts a mushroom head design, which is more waterproof and ventilated, providing stable signal reception. It uses larger flow dual water pumps with a maximum flow rate of 24 L per minute. Equipped with a dual filtration system to prevent clogging by impurities. Quick release landing gear for easy maintenance. Quick release and foldable arms for easy transfer. The drone cabin cooling system ensures operational efficiency in hot weather. The H200 standard package includes the complete drone body, intelligent battery and charger, remote control and mapping box, with additional repair tools and a spare parts kit for beginners. An optional fuel charging machine is also available. Inquiry now.